For me, New York is home, far away from home. People come here looking for an opportunity or out of necessity, or like me, by chance. But regardless of the reason, emigrating is not easy. There's definitely a rhythm to New York City. That depends on how you look at it, it can feel dissident. But once you start participating, you realize that there's an harmony that keeps the city going 24 hours a day. When we were writing this song, we decided to let the city tell us what the melody will be. We wanted to find a way to have the almost 9 million New Yorkers help us write a song. A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. In New York, the subway lines match the musical notes. If we translate our daily commute into sounds, all of a sudden New Yorkers create music together every day. So we look for the most trafficked train stations of each borough, and we trace one commute that connected those stations. And that became the base of the melody of this song. A song called Crecer Lejos, that in Spanish means to grow afar, a feeling that connects millions of us in this city. As musicians, we wanted to do something in response to what's going on. So we are putting the song available for purchase for just the price of a subway ride, and we will donate all of the proceeds to a non-profit dedicated to helping immigrants.
No estoy sola.